This sort of thing has cropped up before, and it has always been due to human error.
A model brother, a model dad, a model citizen, a summer turnabout, pledging allegiance to another flag. Lifelong devotes to a man who think was far from that. The red and words from the think their peers. A little propaganda that become my warriors. Fed on deception and fed on fear. That our ears are brought the blood that passes through their ears. When your head feels like it's riddled to imploding, and life is now revolving around hate. Well, but since your brain is overloaded, well, I won't have it. What's up with papers and magazines? I know the sharp boy chooses what he will not see. You sort of started, how can this be? When love for hate is the basis for reality. Another headline, another bash. Another homeless victim beaten up and uppercuts. Insanity, well, when will it end? If you don't give it up, you'll never have a chance to make amends. When it feels like it's riddled to imploding, and life is now revolving around hate. Oh, but since your brain is overloaded, well, I won't have it. You cannot keep it all inside. You gotta leave it all behind. You gotta put it in your head. It's time to make a stand, so make it, make it. You gotta make it, make it. Make it, make it. A bloody picture, psychotic dream. Choosing to follow the recessions of our history. Just get a future, you get a life. Cause if you don't accept a morning, they'll be celebrating when you die. When it feels like it's riddled to imploding, and life is now revolving around hate. Well, but since your brain is overloaded, well, I won't have it.